I'm thrilled to share one of Capitol Beach's best kept secrets with you. Calle Juanita. This street is private, quiet, and ends in a cul-de-sac, but it's up high enough to have incredible 180-degree ocean views. This particular home has undergone a massive renovation with some of the finest finishes. I can't wait to share it with you. Looking for that next perfect home that's move-in ready, big enough to fit the entire family, and maximizes the ocean view from every part of the home, come down and check it out. I'm sure this one won't last long.